People are making thousands of dollars per day using Instagram Reels. I make anywhere between $500 to $2,500 per day by creating and posting Reels. And in this video, I will show you how anyone can do the same, even if you have no followers. And no, you do not have to show your titties to do this. You do not have to open an OnlyFans account. You do not have to run paid ads because this strategy that I am about to show you is all organic. You don't need to rent a mansion or a supercar to impress people. You can make money doing this by talking about things you love on Instagram. Also, just to prove to you that I am not talking out of my ass, I made over $10 million using this exact strategy on Instagram and other social media platforms. You can creep on my Instagram account to verify that this shit works. Now, just like you, I started from the bottom with 0 followers. We all start from the bottom. But after some time and applying this strategy, I was able to grow my audience and turn my followers into paying clients. If you learn anything in this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get into it. How does this work? How can you use Instagram Reels to make at least $500 per day? Well, first, it is obvious that you need an Instagram account. So this is step one. You can go to your app store to download Instagram and then create an account. I suggest you to create a business account and not a personal account because with a business Instagram account, you can see analytics. We will talk more about analytics and Reels later, but make sure you create a business account. Also, you want to make sure that your username on Instagram is simple. For example, my username on Instagram is TamaraT_. That is simple to remember. You do not want to have a username on Instagram where it's made up with a bunch of random numbers or alphabetical letters because no average person can remember that. And you want to be remembered on Instagram. Next, after you have your Instagram account, we move to step 2, which is to choose a niche. Now, this is where I find beginners get stuck and they tend to overthink the process. You should be choosing a niche. In other words, choosing a topic for your Instagram account about something that you are passionate about, something that you like talking about, and something that you have experience with. So for me, my niche on Instagram is helping people make money online. I have experience helping people like you make money online because prior to this business model, I had an Amazon business that I worked on for 6 years. I grew that business to multiple 7 figures, sold that business, and here I am. I've also mentored over 3,000 students on how to make money online. So of course, this is my niche. Making money is something that I am passionate about and it is something that I like. I can talk about making money forever. So if you have a passion or if you find yourself constantly talking about something, then that can be your niche. It does not have to be complicated. For example, I know someone online that loves cucumbers. Like, it's so funny because this digital creator loves cucumbers. So he would make videos on Instagram showing people how to use a cucumber for different recipes. And he's made millions of dollars by doing this. Like, who would have thought creating Instagram Reels about a cucumber can make someone else millions of dollars online? So choosing a niche for your Instagram account should be about something that you love. If you want to learn about the most profitable niches that will make you money on Instagram, then make sure you check out this video right here because I tell you exactly what the most profitable niches are. I think the beauty about this is that almost all niches can be profitable, but you do not want to choose a niche that is unique. For example, you probably do not want to share reels on Instagram where you are teaching people how to knit sweaters for dogs because that's super unique. And you may not be able to attract many people that will pay you at least $500 per day teaching them how to knit sweaters for dogs. The next part is the creation of reels. So we have step 3, and this is where you create and post Instagram reels. This is where you create and post short form videos about your niche. So on my Instagram account, I create and post short form videos about making money on Instagram because that is my niche. I am helping people make money online. So most of my reels teach people how to make money. And if you want to learn exactly how I create and post my reels that help me make between $500 to $2,500 per day, then I suggest you to watch this video right here. It is a full breakdown for one of my reels and how I create reels to attract people like you. And then I turn the followers into paying clients. I do not want you to overthink the process when it comes to creating and posting reels because all you need is your iPhone to do this. You do not need any fancy video equipment. You do not need any fancy editing software. You don't need any of that. In fact, I am filming this YouTube video, and every video that I posted online, I recorded straight from my iPhone because there's no point for me to buy fancy and expensive equipment just to post videos. There's no point in doing that. And I was able to generate millions of dollars online with just my iPhone. So if you think that you need to invest a ton of money for equipment, you do not need to. You can use your iPhone like how I am and then start creating and posting reels. And I do apologize about the lighting. It was getting dark in here, so I had to pull up the blinds behind me. So next is step 4. Now, stay with me here because I know by now you are probably thinking, well, this is all great, Tamara. I can probably do all of this. Where does the money come in? So stay with me. At the end of the video, you will understand how this works. Now, after we post our reels, Instagram will push your reels out to the 2 billion active users that are scrolling on its platform every day. This is why it's so important to create and post reels that other people can relate to, and your reels need to be good. If you are posting a reel about random things like what you ate for lunch or how you are walking your dog, nobody is going to care. So you can have a look at my Instagram account and get ideas on how I post my reels that attract a lot of clients. But this is going to attract, if your reels are done properly, this is going to attract the 2 billion users on Instagram. Now, just to be clear, I am not saying that once you create and post the reel that you will instantly attract 2 billion users. That is not how it works. It takes a bit of time to get your account going and to have a little fan base of users who love your content. Not everything you post on Instagram will take off. This is why it's so important that you learn how to create viral reels. You want to create and post reels that will go viral, meaning it's going to reach as many people as possible. That is what you want to do with your reels. You want to reach as many people as possible because these users will consume your content, and if they like what you are sharing, they may become a client. They may want to pay you for your expertise, for whatever it is that you are sharing and teaching on your Instagram account. So this is where the digital product comes in. Now that we have attracted as many people as possible, these people may be inclined to buy your digital product. This is step 5, and it is digital products. A digital product can be ebooks or PDFs or recipes if you are into cooking, or workout plans if you are into fitness. For me, I had online courses and coaching as my digital product. When I had my Amazon business, I was selling online courses and coaching, which was a digital product, helping people start their Amazon businesses. And now when I have my Instagram business, I am still selling digital products, which are online courses and coaching. So if you are a beginner and you need one-on-one help to get this all set up so you can start making money on Instagram, then I want to invite you to my free training in the YouTube description below. Go on down, click on the free training link. Enter your name and email address to watch my training. And at the end, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with my team. We will help you one-on-one to choose a profitable niche, show you viral reels that you can create and post, and of course, help you set up a digital product so you can promote that on your Instagram account. So to get paid from your Instagram reels, you need to sell your digital product. So for example, if your niche is about cooking, and let's pretend that you are obsessed with cucumbers, okay? You know how to cook healthy meals with a cucumber. You can create a digital product, which is an online training teaching people how to cook healthy meals. And then you can sell your digital product, which is an online course teaching people how to use cucumbers and make healthy meals. So this is what I mean by a digital product. I think a lot of people get confused, but basically a digital product are products that you can just email to the customer. So if you were to buy my digital product, after making that purchase, I just email you the online training. I email you the online course, and you will be doing coaching with me. So after you have your digital product that you are promoting using Instagram Reels, this is where you get paid. This is the last step, and you can get paid anywhere as a beginner from $500 to $2,500 to start. Now, there were days I made over $5,000 per day, all by promoting my digital product using Instagram Reels. However, I've been doing this for many years. I have experience helping people like you make money online. If you follow all of this, I am confident that you will make money. So I can charge more for my digital products, for my online courses, coaching and training. And if you want to work with me, I can charge more, because I have experience. But if you are a beginner, you can sell your digital products on Instagram for anywhere between $500 to $2,500. Now, the way how you collect this payment can be done multiple ways. Now, for me, I have a sales funnel. If you go to my Instagram account and you click on the link in my bio, I take you through a sales process so you can learn how to make money on Instagram. This is you going through my website. And if you want to become one of my clients, you can book a call with my team and we will teach you how to do this from beginning to end. However, if you are a beginner, that may be a little more complex for you. So if you want to collect money anywhere between $500 to $2,500 per day for your digital product, you can do this through the DMs. So for example, after you start creating and posting reels, you will have people messaging you. After a certain amount of time, you will have people in your DMs asking you for help. This always happens when you create and post reels and when you are sharing value to your audience. I get direct messages from people every time I post a reel, and they may say something like, Tamara, can you help me how to make money online? Can you teach me how to make money on Instagram? And that is when I sell them on my digital product. So you can do this through messaging. You can do this through a sales funnel. There are multiple ways. Again, I've been doing this for many years, so I have a sales funnel to collect money. If you need one-on-one help to get this all set up for you, then again, make sure you check out my free training in the YouTube description below. Watch the training and book a one-on-one call with my team, and we will walk you through everything so you can start making money on Instagram. And before you go, make sure you help me give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.